Are you ready to take your business to the next level? Today, we're going to show you how to scale your business online in just a month. Step 1. Establish a strong online presence. Create a professional website that showcases your products or services. Leverage social media platforms to engage with your audience and build a loyal following. And don't forget to optimize your website for search engines. Step 2. Boost your sales with targeted marketing campaigns. Utilize online advertising platforms to reach your target audience effectively. Run strategic ads, promotions, and discounts to attract new customers and retain existing ones. Step 3. Analyze your data. Use tools like Google Analytics to track your website's performance, customer behavior, and conversion rates. This data will help you make informed decisions and optimize your marketing strategies. Step 4. Streamline your operations. Implement an efficient order management system and optimize your supply chain. This will ensure timely deliveries, minimize errors, and enhance customer satisfaction. Step 5. Innovate and diversify. Continuously adapt to market trends, identify new opportunities, and explore additional revenue streams. Stay ahead of the competition by offering unique products or services. And there you have it. By establishing a strong online presence, for free ebook link in bio.